My name is Abba Faustina Ukamaka. I'm in the Department of Fine and Applied Arts, under the Faculty of Arts, and a student of University of Nigeria, Nsukka. Currently, I'm in my second year, and I'm working on still life painting, the composition of a chair, a bucket, and a leaf inside. Actually, why I went for this course was because growing up, I saw art as something interesting, and I wanted to try it because it's something I've not done before in my life. I said, okay, art is a very nice something. You touch things about nature, still life, figure drawings, and everything. You get to study the human figure and the rest. So, and these things we do normally, computers can do it also. So I find it interesting as a human being doing what a computer can also do.